Close your eyes. Forget your existence as a human being. Forget the bills, the deadlines for your projects, and the gravity you once knew. You are being reborn into the world. Your skin is no longer soft. It is hard, leathery, red armor. Beneath it, you feel your legs twitching like 6 rods. You are not waking up in your bed. You are waking up on a dark green continent that trembles, which humans call a leaf. The world looks different. You don't see colors like you did in your old life. You only see movements and shadows, but you sense the real world with your antennae. Can you feel it? The air is full of smells, the sweet, sticky scent of nectar miles away, the damp, earthy texture of the soil below. But suddenly, a metallic, sharp scent hits your nose. This is the scent of your own chemical weapon, the bitter yellow blood. In this life, you are small, but you are poisonous to those who dare to eat you. You understand. Looking good is the only warning you give to the world. Hunger. This isn't your stomach growling. It's a command. You move your 6 legs in a rhythmic dance, one you've never learned but have perfected through reflex. You see them before you, leafhoppers, microscopic pests to humans. To you, they are slow, juicy, delicious food. As you feast, you feel the leaf vibrate. Something is coming, something fast. You are not the only hunter in this forest. The sun disappears. A shadow as dark as a grave swallows you. You look up and see no bird, but a dragon as huge as in nightmares. Its beak strikes a leaf with earthquake-like force. You tumble through the air. Time slows. You pull your legs up and duck your head. You experience a reflex bleed and expel the painful yellow fluid. You hit the ground, a moss forest that feels like you've fallen onto giant, damp pillows. You wait. You hold your breath. Silence. The giant titan has moved on. The danger has passed. The moment you turn around and plant your feet firmly on the ground, the sky shatters. You hear a sound like a cannon blast. A single raindrop strikes a nearby rock. To you, this is not a drop of water, but a liquid apocalypse. If a drop hits you directly, surface tension can pin you to the ground forever. As the dry earth gets wet, you drown. You take shelter under a mushroom, under a giant umbrella. Watching the world disappear, you realize how fragile life is when you weigh less than a gram. The storm passes. The air is heavy and clear. You climb again, defying gravity, feeling an instinctive pull toward the light. You reach the top of the green skyscrapers, you prepare your wings for flight, and flap them so fast they disappear from view. And then you are free, no longer a prisoner of the earth. You are the pilot of the wind. Below you, the garden transforms into a vast, beautiful palette of colors that people could never comprehend. This is the reward for staying alive. The sun is setting on the horizon. The 24 hours are over. You face colossal dragons, survived floods, and touch the sky. You're exhausted. It's time to leave this shell behind. But don't worry, this was just one life. Millions more await your connection. Recharge. Experience different lives. Next time, who will you be?